The Moshammer Touring Evo Aero Kit provides optimal aerodynamic properties coupled with a beautiful OEM Plus design element. The front spoiler adapts the factory one and adds an element of visual appeal with side wings. The evolutionary design product gives a unique look and fits seamlessly into your Porsche, enhancing your Carrera. Our performance side skirts are significantly wider than the standard components, resulting in a wider underbody and therefore more downforce. A fusion of design and technology that transforms your Porsche 992 into a masterpiece. Every part can be installed by using the original screw points and clips. Moshammer 992 Carrera Ducktail Evo II is a tribute to the legendary Porsche 911 Carrera RS. Mighty ducktail of the 70s. The generously sized air inlets ensure a consistent, efficient flow of cold air to the intercoolers and the intake. After installation, the ducktail remains static. The electric lift function of the original rear spoiler is deactivated. The synergy between the diffuser and the smooth underbody of the Carrera creates a negative ground effect, a so-called inverted wing profile. Upgrade your Porsche with Moshammer Premium Refinement. Click now the link below to shop on our website. Don't forget to put thumbs up button and subscribe.